Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got this PS1 from my friend Daniel from the UpYourArsenalTv YouTube channel. He asked me to turn a basic grey into a black edition PlayStation 1. At first I wasn't meant to make a video, but he insists, and today we're gonna make a little reassembly video of this black beauty. As you can see, I already painted the whole console in matte black. I also painted the controller ports, as you can see from the tape lines. And I also paint the power supply, power cord inputs and the motherboard output ports. And with all done, it's now time to reassemble this console once again, so let's start. And this is it, a Black Edition PlayStation 1. I gotta say, the result is really cool and much better than I was expecting. So I hope my friend Daniel likes it, and I also hope you enjoyed this little video. So subscribe to my friend Daniel's Up Your Arsenal YouTube channel and see the reaction when he got this PlayStation 1. I'll leave the link in the description below. As always, thanks for watching, see you in the next one.